Hey guys, my name is Kyle and welcome to DIY Buildouts. Today I'm going to show you how you can build this incredible laptop stand using nothing more than the scrap wood already in your garage. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, the inspiration for this project came from the fact that I built a new tabletop desk for my office. I built it out of 2x8x8 material I picked up from the big box store, threw a nice Kona stain on it, and then once I finished all that, I realized my tabletop and the actual amount of stuff I had on it just didn't work anymore. So this is what led me, the inspiration I should say, to this project. I dove into the scrap wood bin. I found a piece of poplar that I had lying around that was around 33 inches long, I believe, and I cut 3 10-inch strips out of it. Once I did that, I glued it all together to make one vertical stack, and I hit it with some clamps and let it cure overnight. Now, the boards wanted to float around because I had so much wood glue in them, but a little bit of manhandling and aligning and getting those first 2 clamps in place, then the 3rd clamp went on without a problem. Guys, so there is my new desk. It's not in its final resting position, but I wanted to show you a picture of it. You'll see the finished product at the end. Now, for the actual project that we're following on this video, I had to measure the thickness of my laptop to know how much material I had to remove from these now vertically glued boards. So I took them over to the table saw and I made a bunch of sequential passes. Now each time I would just bump the fence out a little bit and I'd take one blade width off at a time until I removed roughly a 1/2 inch or maybe 5/8 of an inch of material off to fit my particular laptop. You can do this with your laptop, just be sure to take the measurements of how thick it is before you go ahead and remove the material. Now guys, I'm a bit lazy. There was some glue squeeze out that occurred from clamping those 3 pieces together, so I simply ran it through the table saw to take a fresh edge off of both sides. Then I was left with fresh wood, which I could simply throw a coat of paint on and then get to the decorative element with some frog tape to put a little accent piece on there to just make it a little cooler. Okay guys, that's all for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. I have a bunch of projects coming up about scrap wood materials and the cool things you can build around the house with them. So if you want to stay tuned and get notified of those, hit that subscribe button below. And if you want to be notified when I post a video, hit that bell icon as well. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.